What is going on, YouTube? Welcome to another episode in the kitchen. We just finished up making the jerky, so I figured while we're here, why not make something else? So it's raining outside. There's no ducks anywhere in sight. All my fishing partners are gone on vacation or have got moved to day shift and work Monday through Friday now, so I don't have anyone to fish with. And it's really cold outside, and I'm not going to take my boat out and go fishing in this cold weather by myself. And I'm definitely not going to go to a heated dock because all the local heated docks around here just get overfished, and I don't really enjoy going to them because I never really catch any fish while I'm there. So I don't have all day to wait around and catch fish. The heated docks are like a hit and miss, so I don't have time to just sit around and wait for it to be a hit. Anyway, I've got 2 kids today also. You can probably hear them yelling in the background. I just had to tell them to be quiet because I'm trying to make a video. But we're going to make a steak marinade, so you stick around. Hopefully this steak marinade will be good. Okay, so what we got, you're going to need olive oil, Worcestershire soy sauce, not Worcestershire soy sauce, Worcestershire and soy sauce, parsley flakes, ground white pepper, garlic powder, basil leaves, minced onion, and a fresh lemon. And my wife got this little contraption here for Christmas. Talk about sweet. You can mix some stuff up now. Third of a cup of soy sauce. Half a cup of olive oil. Probably didn't need to measure, I probably could just used all of that. Half a cup of olive oil. You can use just lemon juice out of the deal. I just happen to have some fresh lemon. My wife actually said these look better at the store, but I found that these kind of have a citrus orange flavor. I don't really. So there's a third cup of fresh lemon. Calls for a quarter cup of Worcestershire. This is a half cup measure. I'm just going to guesstimate. Can't ever go wrong with this. We'll give it a couple to grow on. 1.5 tablespoons of garlic powder. Alright, so we really messed up here. I forgot to turn the volume on. So let me tell you guys exactly what I did here. We've got 1/3 cup of soy sauce, a half a cup of olive oil, 1/3 cup of fresh lemon juice, and a quarter cup of Worcestershire. And now we're going to put 1.5 tablespoons of garlic powder. Which is basically what I got. Takes 3 tablespoons of dried basil. Can't believe I forgot to turn the audio on. 1, 2, and 3.
Might be able to overlap some of the audio with this, but 1.5 tablespoons of dried parsley flakes. One teaspoon of ground white pepper. And a teaspoon of dried minced garlic. Now for the fun part, other than making a mess. Bring this over here. Plug this neat little machine in. This thing will create a vacuum. This little thing is sweet. It creates a vacuum. Done. Take this thing off. Okay, so these are deer tenders. I thought this was a deer steak, so that's okay. I love the tenderloin. These are going to be really good. Just put them all in the bag. Might wrap these in bacon in a little while. Cook them on the grill and have them for lunch. We're going to have a filet mignon this evening. So I mixed up enough to do it's one batch, but I'm going to put some in here. There you have it. Alright, so these here are filet mignons. I don't know if this is actually two or one. I broke it into two. Still frozen, so we're going to leave these out. So we'll put these in here. Mix the marinade in. Smells so good. We're going to actually leave these out on the counter they're still frozen, so we're going to just let them marinate. Well, there you have it. We got deer tenders and filet mignons. We'll leave these out to marinate for a while at room temperature. I'm going to cook those, probably cook these deer tenders with dinner tonight, and I'll take them with me to lunch tomorrow, so that should be pretty good. But that's really all I got today. I know that my audio really screwed me on the first part of the video, so I'm going to try to figure something out on that, but I'm not sure how I'm going to fix that yet. Unless the camcorder might have picked it up since the microphone wasn't on, but we'll see. It looks like it's starting to rain outside. I'll be dang. But that's all I got for you on this video. I've just been in the kitchen today doing some stuff. We got the jerky going. I just got done doing it. You'll see that video after this one because I'm going to post this one probably here in a little while. And finish my jerky video. When the jerky's done, I'll let y'all know how that tastes. But if y'all ever do steaks, you definitely need to try this marinade. I'll try to link the recipe down in the description down below. It's really good, and the lemon juice will break down the meat and tenderize it, and all the other ingredients just kind of infuse with the meat, and man, it's delicious. So from the kitchen to you guys, that's all I got for you today. So if you would, be sure hit that subscribe button, hit the like button. So until next time, I will see you guys on the next video.